Welcome to Upstyle Plus. In this video, I will show you how to generate QR code for PDF files for free and easily. To do that, get your PDF file ready. Now, there are two ways you can do it. You can upload PDF file to an online service and get the QR code to view it. Or you can upload PDF file to Google Drive and have QR code to view it. Second one is best if you want to keep the PDF file private. Okay, first method, search Google PDF to QR. You'll find this website, me-qr.com. Let's go to this website, upload PDF file. You'll have to log in by using your Google account, or you can create a free account here. I will choose login with Google. After that, upload PDF file. Optionally, you can name this QR and then click customize and download QR. And here it is. So this is the QR code that was generated. We can download this QR code and send it wherever we want. Recipient will scan this QR code and he will be able to view the PDF file. And then we have another website, qr-generator.ai. At this website, log in. You can create a free account or you can use your Google account to log into this website. After you're logged in, click Create QR Code button at the top right. And from here, select PDF, show a PDF. Upload the PDF. Once PDF is uploaded, optionally, you can add extra details like PDF title, description, website, and you can also password protect this PDF. After that, press Save button at the bottom right. And here is the preview of QR code. Click Create button. And from here, you can download the QR code in PNG format, JPEG format, or any other format that is available here. I will select JPEG and press Download button. So this is the QR code that we have got. Let's scan it and see if it shows PDF file or not. And here is the PDF. We can press View PDF button to view the PDF file. Basically, upload PDF file and generate QR code. Then you can use that QR code or send it to anybody. Simple. Okay, next method is by using Google. So go to google.com. From the apps, select Drive. Select appropriate folder and upload that PDF file here. Just drag and drop that PDF file here. After it's uploaded, double click to view it. This is the PDF file. Press Share button. Under General Access, click Restricted and select anyone with the link. And then press Copy Link button. Now you can go to any link to QR code website, provide this URL and get the QR code. So search Google, link to QR code. We've got this website, QR Code Monkey. This is a popular website. We can use that. On this website, provide the URL and press Create QR Code button. After that, press Download PNG. Save the file. And here is that QR code. Now you can use this QR code or share it with anybody to let him view that PDF file. Let's scan this QR code and go to the link. And here's the PDF file open in front of us by scanning a QR code. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.